In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a budget in GnuCash. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to hit Actions up top, and then from here you can see Budget. Now, when you hover over this, you can create a new budget just by clicking over here. This will create a new budget and a new tab up here, and in here, of course, you can go ahead and create the budget you want. Now, first, I would recommend you click on the Options button up top, which allows you to basically give it a name. So this one is going to be named Tutorial for now, and then here you can, of course, add notes as well. I'm just going to leave it like that, and then here you can also show account code, description, etc. And here, this is likely the most important part, this is your budget period. So over here, as you can see, you can select how long your budgeting period is. So for example, for here it says every 1 month right now, as you can see here. So there's like the 1st of April, May, June, July, etc. And I'm actually going to switch this to weeks, and I'm going to make it 2 weeks, for example. Now, whenever I do this, you'll be able to see if I click on OK, it's going to switch over, and now it's every 2 weeks or every 14 days, okay? Now, it's up to you, whatever you want to do here. I'm actually going to switch back over to month because I do think that's one of the most common ways to do it. But then here you can also set the number of periods and click OK, and now you're set to start, okay? So when we've done this, of course, you have like a bunch of different buttons up here, but for now, these aren't really that important. To actually create your budget, you can simply go ahead and expand any of these accounts and account names. Now, yours may look a bit different. If they do, you'll be able to see them over here. And then you have like assets over here, current assets, and you can see like a bunch of different things. Then you have equity, you have expenses, income, etc. And you can extend all of them by clicking on these arrows or essentially double clicking to actually view them in detail just like that, okay? So if I go to expenses over here, for example, and I go to, let's just do, I don't know, computer over here, you'll be able to set your budget just like this. So as you can see, right now it's on 0. I can go ahead over here and type in 100, and that's going to give me $100 into that budget, okay? So to computer. Then I have, for example, education. I could do like 200 over here. Dining, I could do 50. Then I could do cable. Let's do like 15. Then books, maybe like 5. And then so on and so forth. You could go ahead and just basically create it however you want, okay? You can just create your budget that way, and then you can see kind of whenever you collapse this again, you can see down here at the bottom everything. So you can, of course, add your income if you wanna, and then you'll be able to see the expenses, the transfers, and then the remaining to budget over here at the bottom right. Now, whenever you create this, don't forget to save it using this button up here, and then when you save it, of course, you'll be able to get the access to your budget whenever you need it. So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.